Now imagine your sales are great, your orders are coming at a very fast rate in bulk, but you are not being able to ship them on time. You are not being able to handle the inventory. Your tracking rate are not fine, your delivery rate are not fine. So what are going to be the implications of that? You may lose your account. So account health is very important, rather more important than the sales. I always say that. So in today's video we are going to cover the shipping performance segment of the account health. This includes the late shipment rate, valid tracking rate, order cancellation rate, and on-time delivery rate. So by the end of this video, you will be able to have a complete understanding of all these four metrics, and this is going to help you a lot in running and managing your Amazon account. In the account health, just the shipping performance segment is pretty straightforward, but yet also very important. The factors that make up this score are late shipment rate, pre-fulfillment cancellation rate, valid tracking rate, on-time delivery rate. Now let's look into each of it. Late shipment rate. So late shipment rate, as the name implies, is all orders with a ship confirmation that is completed after the expected ship date as a percentage of the total orders, calculated for both 10 days and a 30-day period. For both the periods, like the 10 days late shipment rate should be under 4%, and for the 30 days late shipment rate, that should also be under 4%. So if in any case your late shipment rate goes beyond 4%, this is going to be a big issue for you. Let's look into the pre-fulfillment cancellation rate. So the pre-fulfillment cancellation rate is seller cancelled orders as a percentage of total orders during a period of 7 days. CR only applies to seller fulfilled orders, means the orders that are fulfilled by Amazon FBA. The pre-fulfillment cancellation rate doesn't apply to that. That makes sense because Amazon is already taking care of their shipment. So it should be under 2.5%. Mind you that this percentage is very small, because if your number of orders are less, then even a single order can take your pre-fulfillment cancellation rate to 2.5%. So the orders that customer requests to cancel does not count here. Only the ones that you are canceling because of inventory, because of any reason, because of pricing, any reason, that will count here. So the next is valid tracking rate. Valid tracking rate is the number of packages with valid tracking derived by the total packages you shipped over 30 days. So it has a 30-day time period window, and it should be above 95%. So whatever tracking you are providing to the customer, it should be valid, it should be traceable, and it should give customer the knowledge at the right time as well. If you are providing the valid tracking after 1 day, then it's not going to count. And lastly, we have on-time delivery rate. So the on-time delivery rate is the percentage of seller fulfilled items delivered to customer on or before the deliver by date viewable on each order in Seller Central. So on each order there is a deliver by date. So you have to deliver your order by that. So your on-time delivery rate should be above 90% in a time window of 14 days. So remember these windows, they are very important. So normally it is quite, I would not say that it's very easy to manage that, because the carrier comes into play here, and the carrier mostly are going to get your order delivered late, but it is your due diligence how you are going to manage that. That is why small sellers prefer FBA, just to get rid of all these metrics. But for experienced sellers, managing on-time delivery rate should not be an issue. Now some tips regarding how to improve your shipping performance. To improve your shipping performance, always acknowledge the order within the first few working hours. Get it ready and get it shipped on time, and ask your carrier to pick it on time and also scan it on time. What happens that carriers pick the order but they don't scan it. So if your order is scanned late, it is going to fall under the late shipment. Also provide tracking valid tracking. Always provide valid tracking to the customer. Do not cancel your order. You would not have to cancel your order if your inventory and pricing are fed properly and regularly. So take note of this, please. For a healthy business, healthy account health is a must. So this was all from the shipping performance. In the next video, we are going to cover the account health segments that are very important. That is the restricted product, listing policy violations, intellectual property violations, regulatory compliance, other policy violations. So if you do like our effort, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.